Hi everyone, here we've got Redmi Note 10 Pro and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So firstly we have to enter the settings, so let's tap on it and now let's scroll down a little and tap on passwords and security. Here we have to enter the privacy at the very bottom, so let's tap on it, and in advanced section at the very first position we've got encryption and credentials. At the very bottom we've got the option clear credentials, so just tap on it and your device will ask you if you really want to remove all the contents, so just tap on OK. If you've got a pattern or pin, then enter it to confirm the whole step, and as you can see the credential storage has been erased successfully. So actually that's all. This is how to remove credentials in your Redmi Note 10 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.